work so hard to pay mortgage on your home, grill it up, do all of this, and you don't feel safe. And I'm begging you to just share this so people are aware. I could have lose my friends, I could have lose my life. Look how much women them go in and drug and rape and kill. But by the grace of God, I'm still here. With stuff can be bought back.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. So people, a young lady in Jamaica is speaking out after what she explains happened at her home in Jamaica. This happened. Now people, she's explaining that she was asleep and somebody break in her house and drug her entire family. Now, the good thing is no harm came to her, right? Or the family members. But boy, may I tell you, it could have been worse. Because the things that we see are going on in Jamaica right now, anything is possible. But this young lady is speaking up because she says she wants people to know what is happening and she wants persons to be careful right now because of what happened to her. So we are going to jump in and we are going to take a listen. But before that, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. Make we go listen to what she has said.
Normally my videos are bright and perky, but this one is not so bright and it's not so perky. And this is just to serve as a public service announcement. So just be on the lookout to be extremely careful. So on Saturday, my house was broken into. They drugged my mom, my dad, and my grandmother. I was in my bedroom at the time I heard a noise. I looked through the room, looked under the veranda of the porch, never said anything. Said okay, probably my dad is just walking through. That's what he normally does. I shouted out dad 3 times, heard nothing. I said, Jesus, if it's anything, cover me and cover the house. And I pushed up the door. Never heard anything. My father got up after 2. I guess the drug had worn off at that time. And he said, listen, somebody broke in. No, we're pretty secure. Things are grilled and everything. They lifted off the grill off of the kitchen window. They wore gloves. They came through. They stole phones. They stole money. They stole jewelry. And they powdered them. When the police came, they said that this has been happening in other communities. They had hit 3-4 houses in the same night. And I'm asking you, if you follow me, to share this with other people, because it could have been worse. We hear about murders, we hear about burglaries, we hear about robbery attempts, and what could have happened. I'm really grateful that they only got away with phones and stuff, and my parents weren't harmed, because you can buy back money. You can get money back, you can get phones back, you can't get back life. And it's different when you're in your home and you don't feel safe. And I'm really grateful to God, because normally if I hear anything, I'm the first to run out. And if I run out and anything could have happened, I could not have been here. But I'm saying to you, put a basin of water near your room. Share this video, WhatsApp, push. Because they're broken into Jacaranda, Seville, Ebonyville, different communities, and it's not on the news. So we're getting a sense of, oh, we're safe. We're not safe. Christmas is approaching and these criminals are finding different ways. They're brazen. They're emboldened. Right? We're worried about GPS. Turn on your backlight. Turn it on. Get some sensors. Borrow some money because they're different. Ladies, listen to me, man. Them people are watching and study you when you live alone. Don't come in the same time. Each one teach one. And I really never wanted to necessarily do this video, and my friend said, listen, do it, because a lot of people don't know what's happening. It could have been worse. I could be on here telling you I lost my family. I'm in the hospital. I'm still here. And I'm asking you to share this, to like, to comment. If you have any grill outside your house, put grill inside and outside. If you can afford King Alarm or Hawk or whatever, get that. If you have people working in your home, you have to watch them like a hawk. They didn't even come at the front of the house, them come to the back, the man them wear gloves. Crime scene come and can't leave no prints. Like these men them are watch Mission Impossible shows and stuff, we not see no footprint. If you or your family don't have passwords on your phone and you have Samsungs or whatever, you need to put some passwords so that we can track these people. Come them pick up my father's tablet and realize the iPad and put it down. We need to talk. We need to talk about what is happening in each of our communities. The police alone cannot do it. Bulletins are not being put up because they're running St. Catherine North and must 7 murders or whatever they have. We need to start communicating. We need to start telling people, ladies, you know, it's illegal, forgive me. But people need to start walk with pepper spray. After the incident I go on the road, I'm park my car and I'm a very vigilant, highly thing. I'm a barely park my car and I might say, look behind me, I'm see this boy come click, boom. Car start, boom, reverse. Them out here wicked now. Right? And I'm begging you to share this because the worst feeling is when you're home and you don't feel safe. You're home and you don't feel safe in your bed. It's hard enough to go out on the road daily and think out there is not safe, but in your house, that's the worst feeling. It's the worst feeling, and I don't care if you live St. Catherine, I don't care if you live in Upper St. Andrew. If you look at communities, them boy are jump the fence. Cause them coming like them could have been Jamaica Gymnastics Association. Them hungry. And we have to look out for each other, we have to talk. And if you are, and someone benefit from them criminal, coming like some of them thieves are coming like the pest is a pestilence, coming like the plague we play Egypt, the worse than COVID-19. Because them don't want to work, they most want to come and stress people out. You have to work so hard to pay mortgage on your home, grill it up, do all of this, and you don't feel safe. And I'm begging you to just share this so people are aware. I could have lose my friends, I could have lose my life. Look how much women them go in and drug and rape and kill. But by the grace of God, I'm still here. With stuff can be brought back. And a little things that come for so you're hard enough you wear if you work and you get a little.
She's definitely right. It could have been worse. And if boy said that means say you try to tell me say not even burglar bars now stop the burglars no more. But as she said, put burglar bars on the exterior of your property and on the interior these days. And you have to make sure say you put up a heap of cameras. I'll have some big dog in your yard if needs be. Because right now, them criminals look like them now make nothing stop them. But me give thanks that nothing actually, no harm actually came to the family. But me I try to figure out though, I wonder what kind of drug them use. Boy, me don't know if anybody have any idea, talk to me down in the comment section. Cause me don't know what kind of drug them really could have used for the family. And for the police say it is something that has been happening in the area. Like, yo, trust me, it's serious. So Jamaicans, if you're in Jamaica, please be very careful and be on the alert for things like this happening. Because that is what the young lady said. She wants this video to be shared and make everybody aware of what is happening in Jamaica. Alright? Do you have any issues like this? Has anything ever happened to you like this? Like what this young lady explained? Talk to me down in the comment section. I will be looking out for your comments as well. Alright? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm Unstoppable and I'm out.
Want to boost traffic to your business or get more ears listening to your music? Don't know where to start? Let us help you. Advertise with Unstoppable Media and get noticed today. Contact us at 876-420-3368 or email us at xtrailplayer@gmail.com. That's xtrailplayer@gmail.com. Let us put you in front of our audience today.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.